Ever wondered what it would be like if whales had their own Spotify playlist? Well, buckle up, because these oceanic rock stars are about to blow your mind with their mysterious songs. Let's dive in and unravel the secrets of whale music. The mysterious melodies of the ocean. What are whale songs? Picture this. You're underwater, the world is quiet, and then suddenly, from the deep abyss, you hear a series of strange, haunting sounds. No, it's not a sea monster, or is it? Whale songs are complex, patterned vocalizations that are emitted by various species of whales, particularly the humpback whale. These sounds, often described as songs, are anything but random. They're a form of communication, a tool for navigation, and even a display of mating prowess. But here's the thing. Despite years of research, the true purpose behind these songs remains a deep, uncharted mystery. Researchers have been studying whale songs for decades, but we still haven't cracked the full code. What we do know is that these songs are not just noises, they are highly structured patterns of sound. Each species has its own distinctive song, and even within a species, individual whales can have their own unique variations. Think of it like a whale's personal playlist, but one that changes every season. Scientists also point out that male humpback whales, in particular, are the most prolific singers. So, let's get ready to dive deep into the watery world of whale songs. Are whale songs just for romance? Love the timeless reason for many a song, from Bach to Beyoncé. But do whale songs have anything to do with romance? According to research, scientists believe that mating rituals are one of the key reasons for whale songs. During the breeding season, male humpback whales put on their vocal performances to attract females. It's like an underwater Tinder profile, but with more notes and less swiping. Male whales sing their hearts out, producing songs that can last for hours and often even change their tunes over time. But not all whale songs are for love. Some researchers argue that songs could serve to establish territory or communicate with other members of the pod. This means that while romantic serenades are definitely part of the picture, whale songs also function as a form of social networking or as a way to claim bragging rights under the sea. The science behind whale songs. How do they produce such sounds? Whales don't have vocal cords like humans, so how do they manage to belt out these epic underwater ballads? The secret lies in their phonic lips, which are specialized structures near their blowhole. These phonic lips create sound waves by vibrating rapidly, which whales can control and manipulate to create different pitches, rhythms, and volumes. Interestingly, whales can produce such low-frequency sounds that they travel incredibly long distances. Some songs can be heard up to 1,000 miles away. Talk about an ocean-sized voice. Scientists have compared it to a massive underwater concert, where the entire ocean serves as a giant amplifier. These low-frequency sounds are perfect for communication across vast distances in the deep, dark waters, where visibility is next to zero. The structure of a whale song. A symphony of sounds. Now, imagine you're an oceanographer. Well, let's make that a cool, water-loving scientist. You're in the middle of the Pacific, and you start hearing a whale song. It's not just random babble. Whale songs are made up of a series of repetitive sounds that follow a distinct pattern, almost like musical phrases or verses. These songs can last anywhere from a few minutes to over 30 minutes, depending on the species. Each whale species has its own song structure, but the pattern typically includes themes that are repeated with variations. It's like listening to a favorite tune, but with different interpretations each time. What's fascinating is that these songs evolve over time. They don't stay static, they're constantly changing, especially during the breeding season. Males often update their songs, probably to stay fresh in the ears of their potential mates. Some scientists even joke that whale songs are like the ocean's version of keeping up with the latest hits. The role of whale songs in navigation and communication. While we often think of whale songs as love tunes, they also serve a practical purpose: navigation and communication. In the vast ocean, where visibility is limited, sound is the primary mode of communication. Whale songs travel long distances, allowing whales to communicate with others across the deep waters. This is crucial in ensuring their survival, as they need to navigate vast areas and locate other whales for mating or socializing. Moreover, scientists have found that some whale species, particularly those in the deep ocean, may use their songs to map the environment around them. By bouncing sounds off objects, they create a form of underwater echolocation. It's like a built-in GPS system, but with a much cooler soundtrack. The impact of human activity on whale songs. While whale songs have captivated us for centuries, the rise of human activity, particularly shipping and sonar systems, has had a major impact on these marine melodies. In the past few years, researchers have noticed that human-made noise, such as ship engines and sonar, can interfere with whale communication. Imagine trying to have a meaningful conversation at a concert where the music is blaring so loudly you can't hear your own thoughts. That's what it's like for whales when human noise pollution disrupts their songs. In fact, some scientists fear that the increasing noise levels might affect whale populations' ability to communicate, navigate, and even mate. How do whales learn and adapt their songs? The learning process for whale songs is still shrouded in mystery, but scientists believe it may be similar to how birds learn their songs. Male whales learn their songs by listening to others in their pods, and then they replicate and adapt the songs. In a way, it's like whale culture, an ever-evolving, multi-generational tradition passed down through the ages. Interestingly, researchers observed that some whale populations adopt songs from other groups or even adapt new ones during migrations. This cultural transmission suggests that whale songs are part of a social learning process, which is quite extraordinary for non-human species. Can whale songs help with conservation efforts? In recent years, whale songs have become an unlikely tool in conservation efforts. Researchers are using advanced acoustic monitoring devices to record whale songs, helping them track whale populations, migration routes, and behavior. This data can be crucial in protecting endangered whale species, as scientists are able to gather more accurate information about whale habits and habitats. By listening to the whale's songs, scientists can gather valuable insights into the health of whale populations and the impact of environmental changes. Some researchers even suggest that by understanding these songs, we can predict the health of our oceans in the future. After all, whales are like the ocean's canaries, warning us about the state of their environment. The emotional power of whale songs. Why we're drawn to them. Have you ever listened to a whale song and felt a deep sense of connection to the ocean? There's something magical about these ethereal sounds that resonate deeply within us. Some believe it's because whale songs evoke a sense of peace and wonder, transporting us into a world that feels both alien and familiar at the same time. The gentle, haunting sounds of the ocean seem to remind us of something bigger, something timeless. Research suggests that whale songs can even have a therapeutic effect on humans, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. A study showed that listening to whale songs in therapeutic settings could promote relaxation and even improve mood. So it seems that whales are not only serenading their fellow ocean dwellers, but are also offering us a little bit of peace in our hectic lives. Thanks for diving into the mystery of whale songs with us. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating ocean facts. Until next time, keep listening to the waves.